That's a lot of water.
Man, who is this all early in the morning like this? Who is it?
Sneaker delivery?
Man, I've been waiting on you, buddy. Man, what has been taking you so long?
Oh, sorry, sir. I had to schedule an extra truck to fit this whole delivery in.
My God. Hey! What the f***? You see the shit I gotta deal with? Oh my God. Welcome back, YouTube, to this episode of The Comfy Couch. I'm just playing. It's the Shoe Bully coming at you with your weekly shoe review. Today we got the shoe that started it all for a lot of sneakerheads out there. The Black Cement 3s, man. Go ahead and open this. I just want to start off by saying that I hate 3 boxes. They're really flimsy. Not good for stacking. Which, you know, a lot of sneakerheads stack up their shoes. There is the sneaker. Beautiful shoe. These were originally released in 1988. These were the first Jordans designed by Tinker Hatfield. These were also the first Jordan to feature the elephant print, which you see on a lot of Jordans nowadays. These first retroed in 1994. The last retro was 2011. And then, of course, they retroed again this year, 2018. Let me know in the comments which pair you like better. I'm really interested to know. As you can see, we got the gray leather on the tongue with the red Jumpman embroidery. Got a really nice tumbled black leather. Real nice quality on that. Got a really nice gray sock liner. Super soft. And you got the elephant print, as I mentioned before, which they did a little bit different than the previous retros. And then you also got the Nike Air on the back, which everybody loves. And you also got the Nike Air hang tag. And then the bottom also has the Nike on there. Really nice shoe, man. I love these. A lot of sneakerheads do as well. Let's go ahead and get into my rating scale that I always do. Quality, I went with an 8 out of 10 on these. Just because the leather is a nice tumbled leather. But there was some bad paint jobs on these, man. Like, I saw some pairs in the store that just look like a 3-year-old painted them, which, you know, I'm not going to say that may or may not have happened in real life. But durability, I'm going to go with an 8 out of 10 on these just because nice quality materials, like I said. But, you know, that tumbled leather, it's going to crease probably your second wear. Comfort, though, I went with a 10 out of 10 because 3s are super plush, man. Super comfy. A lot of sneakerheads, I'm sure, will agree with me. The 3 is just a really nice, comfy, plush shoe, man. Versatility, I went with a 10 out of 10 just because these are like the happy medium between the low and the high tops. They provide the greater flexibility than the high top does, but it has more stability than the low. So, you know what I mean? It's a versatile shoe. Rockability, I went with a 10 out of 10 because it's that all black shoe, man. It's easy to match, not hard. Hype level, of course, 10 out of 10 because, man, like I said, this is a staple for many sneakerheads, man. Everybody gotta have these. If you a real OG Jordan head, you gotta have these, man, especially with that Nike Air on the back. Go ahead and open something real quick for y'all. Give y'all a sneak peek of something that I'm gonna be doing in the next video. Another pair of 3s. Got lucky on Sneakers app on these, man. Boom! Free throw lines, baby! What y'all think about these, man? Let me know in the comments how y'all feeling about these. Y'all like the clear bottoms with the free throw lines? Let me know in the comments, man. I'm gonna have a review coming on these real soon, man. Stay tuned. Alright, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. Don't forget to check out my website, sneaker.farm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I need your support. Don't forget to hit the dinger Don't forget to comment on the video. Let me know which cement you like better as far as the black cement retros go. And then also let me know what y'all were thinking about these. Do y'all like the cement 88s with the gray bottoms, or do you like the clear bottoms with the red line? Let me know in the comments. Peace, y'all.